How is everyone doing? In this video, we are going over how to port your number to Mint Mobile to take advantage of their Black Friday, Cyber Monday promotion, where you can get 3 months of service for $20. And this is Mint's 5 gig plan. So you get 5 gigs per month for 3 months for just $20. I made a previous video. I think this is one of the best Black Friday deals out there in terms of cell service. And this is how you sign up, get activated, and bring your existing number to Mint Mobile. First, for those of you who don't know, Mint is a cell phone carrier that offers very affordable cell phone plans by offering plans in bulk. You can sign up for one of their 3, 6, or 12-month packages. These are some of the most affordable rates in the industry. And you can see their 5 gig plan is normally $20 per month. So 3 months would be $60. Mint is offering essentially 66% off. You can get 3 months, 5 gigs for just $20. This is how you take advantage of this promotion. And like I said, bring your existing number to Mint Mobile. The first step is to get in contact with your current provider and figure out your phone number, your account number, your billing zip code, and your account PIN. In my case, my current provider is US Mobile. So I already reached out to US Mobile customer support.
Thank you for calling US Mobile. My name is Adil. How may I help?
Hi Adil, my name is Stetson. I was wondering if I could get my US Mobile account number, please.
Okay, let me get you that information. Please give me the phone number, the one you have with US Mobile.
Yes, it is.
Right, thank you so much. Okay, well, I need to get this information from our porting department and along with some customer feedback. So I really appreciate if you share the information with me, like are you porting this number out? And
Yeah.
who will be the new carrier porting it out to?
Sure, absolutely. So I actually test cell phone carriers, and I'm just happy to be bringing my number from US Mobile to Mint Mobile. They're offering a promotion right now, and I just wanted to take advantage of that and try them out.
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay, that's fair enough. Okay, let me see. Okay, I've sent out the request to our porting department, and as soon as I get a response, I would be able to send you an email with that. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's going to be fine. Do you know how long that may take?
Well, not more than 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, that's the maximum.
Okay.
And also, one more thing. If you're logged into the account, you need to turn off autopay so that you don't get charged for the next one.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Adil. I really appreciate your help, and have a good evening.
Okay, you're welcome. And thank you for calling, and have a good one.
All right, take care. Bye. I want to give a shout out to US Mobile. I think they offer really excellent, friendly customer service. You can see their average response times are just 10 minutes for email, 25 seconds for a phone call, and 10 seconds for a message. I gave them a quick phone call. Things went very smoothly, and I was able to get them to shoot me a quick email with my, here we go, my account number and my account PIN. Let me just bring up a note here. Okay, the key bits of information you need are your phone number, your account PIN, and your billing zip code. So now that I have all of my correct account information, I'm ready to sign up for this promotion. I'm going to click View Offer. And here we get the 3-month 5 gig card, $20. We're saving $40. That's terrific. You do need a cell phone compatible with the T-Mobile network. That is a network Mint uses for coverage. A great website you can check is willmyphonework.net. Enter your phone model and configuration in here, and it will tell you if your phone will work on the T-Mobile network. Okay, back to Mint. I'm here. I want to take advantage of this promotion. This will be linked down in the video description. If you choose to sign up using my link, it is an affiliate link. It really does help support the channel by providing me with a small kickback at no additional cost to you. So we're going to click is buy now. It's adding the plan to our cart. That's terrific. We get a risk-free trial. 3-month introductory plan comes with a 7-day money-back guarantee. It's an encrypted website, speedy delivery, and easy payments. Terrific. We should be good to go. So I'm going to enter my shipping address. In this case, I'm in Ithaca, New York. We'll update our totals. Okay, updated my cart, and it looks like 2 to 3 day shipping is $5, and it's arriving December 1st. However, up top it says limited time only, free shipping on all orders placed today. I'm going to click apply now. Make sure you do this. Wait for it. Bam, free shipping. All right, terrific. So we got free shipping. We do have some regulatory stuff and some other fees. That's still terrific. $24 for 3 months of cell service. I'm on board with that. We'll proceed with checkout. All right, we're getting our billing details. I will not be sharing these with you, but you can see what the fields are. Once you have your billing details configured, you have the option to ship to this billing address. Unfortunately, I'm at school and not at home, so I will not be able to do this. One thing real quick you want to uncheck is auto recharge. If you leave this checked, you will be automatically renewed into this plan. That's actually going to be more expensive than taking advantage of the 12-month package because that gives you the best deal. So I'm going to uncheck that and I'll be able to renew my plan and choose exactly what plan I want. I can go down to the 2 gig plan for $15 a month. I can stick with the 5 gig plan, or I can even upgrade to the 10 gig plan. So I recommend just leaving that box unchecked. If you're like me and you're going to be shipping to a different address, you're going to enter that. And with the shipping details entered, you can now enter your payment details. Once you have confirmed all the information is correct, you can go ahead and click place your order. In my case, my SIM kit will be arriving on December 1st, and I'll be able to get activated then. And that is how you order the SIM starter kit to get 3 months of service for $20. When the kit arrives, you're going to go up to activate your new SIM card with your plan. You enter the activation code located on the back of the SIM card, and then you'll be entering the information we collected from our current carrier to bring our existing number to Mint Mobile. So that's how you sign up and take advantage of Mint Mobile's Black Friday, Cyber Monday, 3 months for $20 promotion. My SIM kit will be arriving on December 1st, so subscribe to stay tuned for the follow-up video where I go through the full activation process. My apologies for not being able to share that with you right now. So that wraps up this video. Leave questions you have in the comments section down below. I'll try and answer them as best I can. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to stay tuned for more videos like this one. I'm Stetson, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.